Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of construction tools. Whether you're a professional builder, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about the tools used on a construction site, this video is perfect for you. Hammer. Hammer. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Tape measure. Tape measure. Level. Level. Utility knife. Utility knife. Chisel. Chisel. Adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench. Pliers. Pliers. Pipe wrench. Pipe wrench. Saw. Saw. Circular saw. Circular saw. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Drill. Drill. Impact driver. Impact driver. Nail gun. Nail gun. Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. Crowbar. Crowbar. Caulking gun. Caulking gun. Trowel. Trowel. Bricklaying trowel. Bricklaying trowel. Spirit level. Spirit level. Clamps. Clamps. Carpenter's square. Carpenter's square. Laser level. Laser level. Safety glasses. Safety glasses. Ear protection. Ear protection. Hard hat. Hard hat. Work gloves. Work gloves. Dust mask. Dust mask. Tool belt. Tool belt. Ladder. Ladder. Scaffolding. Scaffolding. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Concrete mixer. Concrete mixer. Shovel. Shovel. Post hole digger. Post hole digger. Tile cutter. Tile cutter. Angle grinder. Angle grinder. Belt sander. Belt sander. Orbital sander. Orbital sander. Wet vacuum. Wet vacuum. Power washer. Power washer. Heat gun. Heat gun. Stud finder. Stud finder. Socket set. Socket set. Rafter square. Rafter square. Chalk line. Chalk line. Measuring wheel. Measuring wheel. Pipe cutter. Pipe cutter. Bolt cutters. Bolt cutters. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in learning the names of construction tools in English. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video. Happy building and stay safe.